Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I am your host, and today I'm going to pick a winner of this Midwinter giveaway. I'm really excited to do that. So I have the video paused at an area where you can see some of the yarn. Now these two yarn cakes, they're both white. Well, I hand dyed them in the meantime as somewhat of a gradient, and they both turned out really awesome. You can see the dyeing video on my channel if you're interested in how I created that. So now we're going to go to the YouTube random comment picker. We have the, let me make sure I have the right URL. Yeah, we have the URL right here. I filtered out duplicate users. I don't think I commented back to anybody, but I'm excluding myself just in case. I did the math problem, and now I am going to find out how many people entered. So it looks like we have 346 people who entered the giveaway. That's awesome. So now I am going to click start. It will start the raffle and pick a random winner. So you might see some different names showing up and icons, but the one it lands on, that's the person who wins. So I'm going to do that right now. Our Soul's Journey. Hi Cassie, you've created an amazing holiday giveaway for a very lucky winner. I watched almost all of your videos. My favorites is Sunday Chat with your work in progresses and finished objects and yarn company comparisons. I enjoy content that helps educate and motivate me to create lovely finished objects that my adult children will cherish. I absolutely understand that. So congratulations to Our Soul's Journey, and I see that you did include the video that you watched as I requested, and I really appreciate that. So what you need to do is send me an email with a mailing address where you can accept mail, and I will get your giveaway items out to you as soon as I can get to the post office. Now, I live in the South and we're having a snowstorm right now, and we don't have all that equipment that the northern states have to clear the roads. So I'm not certain when I can get there, but I will go there as soon as I can. And you can find my email in the video description, or you can also find it in the pinned comment on this video. All right, so for everybody else, go ahead and congratulate our winner, and no worries, we will have another giveaway starting in January, and I'm really looking forward to including more and more giveaways in 2023. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.